Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragoba Chinsa ngo kumanya mangana Amayia asenchira yobwenge nchini gonkoro kwa Debora Kirubo. Nigo togo chaka no roboti ruomo seneta bwe county ya Nyamira uyumanyekanete buno kongo mogeni nigo agikeirie obukurumi bagenderete kwenekigwa ase county ya Nyamira abo wegereire gusebwa irigira magenderero atari kwenekigwa nigakwana kurwa ase ward ya Nyansiongo imeye bunge ya Burabu asomo commissioner omogeni nigo ose agikeirie omugavana bwe county yo ya Nyamira Amos Nyalibo asekeria tabiribuna taligo ikerania ebicha yechibese buna bono keria kia World Bank nigo aorokirie ogotago kakwaye asenchera emeroberio ye county eyo egokorwa inse yoborai bwaye omugavana Nyalibo
urukibese ko World Bank umugavana okibekai uine arumota gedega agenda ko tabero umugavana Nyamira umuntu orochi baka World Bank ngocha gotorama Nyamira toka guchibesa chitokonye arafu umugavana yakobori unaye ngakiwatu mete chibesa otabanga chimboli cyari etebitaka chimboli chisoya account chikoria masakara moko moro umugavana uyu atara kwana kende giyoshi ara totenga chibesa chete cha World Bank ngaichichie ashindwe sana aibu kubwa sana Motainga Nyalibo aibu wewe aibu kabisa aibu sana wewe chibesa toka ukorumumbu chitokonye ekene chiago ko batyobe ka uchumo buko ubesa senye jana matanga tokoro kunyalibo Nyalibo nero yoito oruete Nyamira aga unanga nero gotene na mutwe ekera bagani bago cha simbauti yago cha ko mwana itoko boko yobo president unanga nero korete chimbuli abantu bali nande ngagitoko na chimbuli chikare ko bugo chia sanga ese abantu bakari kuturwanyisi na mumata kitaka bire nechi wase kitu cha World Bank umugambi ko kwanda maruba yochoire ese kibarasi Nyalibo lito chiwase kitu cha World Bank ngo maitege songora soma maruba likirwa kurwale chiwase chi account cha World Bank chi atomete Nyamira chi cha batokonya chi account chi hospital chi asietu
Chindoto chomwana Griffin Siriba chiokoba omowakili nigo bono chirange kolima magega yenka yaye gusinywa kumoira se skuru ya Nyambaria abwa sarangeretwe magega yo gukora bya samatemwa akejesea kubwatakana nobotaka bure ase enka yabo bono nigo bagusaba obokonyi kurwa sonde bwensi obwato moyo bwogwanja kuyikenke yange elio kumoira omwana Griffin eskuru yo ya Nyambaria
Tiba nigarwara ngaketalinke tukabona bagikitwa gwate biyonse bagaika karwara bona gaki amana bakire skuru bamenyira bokon timbo atikende nkubankuba kurende babiri bagosoma umwari munabutari obeire bakumwigirira ase skuru akinendo okorira amatemu etire orangiri gwe skuru ya Nyambari timbo atikende bona mwana yange tu skuru yingana kwatama
abere ngosomera bokon ase skuru ya Magena Bona agora matema grade 9 anyo 55 leo na achire kugolie kwende pathway ku social sciences ande ngo chintete ko chikosomera boloya asabirwa ndubwansi ga kora anche nkonya ndenya gukora masomo anenkirania ndoto ya
Bani ndagire bakonyoro bokomu bakolie kore kese isasirete no mwana umuyo anje ta masomo no mwana bwate tabiengiya
umwana oyo niga umwana onyate ko bagwekanya niga kunyaka ukagosoma nomokia na bakora omokia sana wano niga kuburia okonya korwa sonde bwensi oyo ramorera mabera erinderi anyare ko bakagwikera ebintu biri biganeti anyare ko bakagochoinya ase skuru ya Nyambari
Simba arati no onde ubwate kende tabatali nkubasaba mokonyo omwana oyo anyora amasomo aye elinda aje gotokonya nabo turanyora goja kobe gavana yende goje myakere mutu sobo mbali kwenyara eseke nyoreke sakoru problem nero tabuga atikende babuga atikende bara mo support. So I want to ask kaki ko muranche gusina Nyamira yaito ase mwabeta omwana urata to bokonyo
igati ya borokia banene wechi skuru au nigo baereiro mochando bagwetera anene chinga kia baibuli bakolenta abana babas chiskuru gukwana umworokia omunene bwe skuru ya St Mary's Nyamagwa nigaerera abange nigo batabwatie school fees asomo baromoke bwaborokiwa oenekigwe korengana na bali aberigeti ase mitandao.
Even some parents who have requested that they pay their school fees in kind, and we have allowed them. They have brought seeds of maize, seeds of beans, and even firewood. And some are even promising to be supplying us vegetables. So in this way, they will meet their payment of school fees. And because this money is used to buy them the items for lunch, we have accepted. We have some boys also who have been admitted here, but when we again click, we find that they are admitted elsewhere. We have reported this to the ministry. We hope they will be solving the cases, although we have kept the boys waiting to see or to get the report from the ministry.
Wanafunzi wengi wanataka kwenda shule, lakini unapata kuna shida ya school fees, na wazazi pia wana mambo mengine, wana vile wanajiweza. Kwa mfano unapata mzazi ana pesa lakini ana vifaa kama kuna vitu mbalimbali kama mahindi, kuni, vile vitu ambavyo vinaweza sukuma shule. Hizo pia ni pesa. Kwa sababu akiuza hizo kuni bado atapata pesa aende alipe, lakini shule pia kwa vile inataka mahindi, inataka maharagwe, inataka kuni, sisi tunapendekeza kwamba walimu wakuu wasikatae kuchukua hivi vitu kwa sababu pia ni pesa.
Abantu bonsi anene kegima abaunchereria nigo basabire kweneke buna nkobera barare na amalimo ya serikali na gwetanga kurwa sobwagachi ase amalima ayo kagukwana ase University ya Kisii abwase aikerana elio kwenana obolemo obwagachi bw'ekinyomba kyaboroki gwacheligo liria inse imeye University elio nigo Charles Ayenda oyore omoland register imeye county ya Kisii arure kurate guchia se bali bonsi babwate chimbwa cyo gose cyo kwagacha ase amalimo ya serikali naboigo nigo atebabuna amatukare bosio nigo nyombenda yonsi yagachira ase obolimo bwe serikali naboigo ase chipara erache gutagurwa elio korwali bagalio kwagacha gose lio gokora magenderero ya serikali.
We've been having some disputes here and there, and some counties are fighting the national government, but the Kisii County is privileged to have the right administration right away now with the national government speaking from the same script, especially matters to do with land. And I'm not here to propagate our Governor Simba's idea, but he really believes in the public land. Honorable Janda is a protector and defender of the public land. And I am here to stand in solidarity as my sole business number one, affordable housing. You understand where we are coming from, the Nyanchon land, is that we are viciously protecting and recovering that which was lost. And people of Kisii County, because I'm on media, I want to believe, let me kindly pass my kind word to every community member next to that government institution. Umekuja, umejenga hapo karibu, na unajua hii ni shamba ya serikali. Once government, always government, forever government. No matter how violent the community is. I know Commissioner will have to address that issue. Our people have seriously grabbed public land. Seriously grabbed public land. Our people have seriously encroached onto public land. Encroaching is different from grabbing. You know, unalima ukipanda miti. Kugrab is when you have the records relating to land, and that is immoral. This was done way back in the 90s by our political class, that he was supposed to be the custodian and the protector of public land. And that's why we have very many cases in this town. And those cases, especially for public land, revolves around a few individuals who wielded power that time. Let this message go down deep to everybody that is occupying public land, that one day, whatever development you are doing on that land will come down. I think you saw it from Nairobi. And I will want to tell the political class, kindly, let's talk to these people so that we have an harmonious way of handling and handing over these public utilities for public space. Kisii is shrinking. Somebody came here and I heard he saying a few years to come, Kisii is going to be a village. Why? We have developed all over. We have no space for development because we have grabbed even the roadsides are all developed. So shameful. Let us go back to the roots. Let us go back to our original development plans and recover everything that was public land.
Kegambere kenene kia Embu nigo yachakire gutegerera ikina gyo kwamiririo obubui wa Leonard wa Muthende ase okobo mubungo mochore Umbere North aya magega yo mona chiebi na Richard Mongo nigo aganirio borendi kwenekigwa chinga kiekine ekyo kegotegererwa boigo nigaene kebuna nigo kunachwa korarwegwe inse ya matuke 50 nomo.
There is no application which has been placed before you. There is no formal application placed before you seeking to back council before you is appearing to the first, second, and third, so that we can see from the material we support that application and take instructions accordingly.
There are orders of your brother, Justice Mohochi Samuel Mukira, that were issued in Nakuru on the 12th of January 2026. And the impact of those orders was that public bodies such as the first respondent should not obtain services of an external counsel as long as there is a Solicitor General and their legal officers within that institution. My Lord, the notice of address that is before you and the counsel appearing before you today, that is Mr. Mungela, is a private practitioner who does not work in the public institution. My Lord,
you are arguing that I am bound by the decision of another judge that affects this case.
My Lord,
that's what you are arguing, and the other side has a right to
Omonto yomo nigasiririo bugima bwaye kubwatekana no mubasokano bwebara asechi basi berechi atumana ase flyover yebare nene ya Londiani guchia muhoroni korengana no munyagitario manene of 49 abantu 10 no yomo nigo banganyiwe guchia senya gitari ya Kericho ase babere babwate chinko machintindi na bande 43 nigo bagenderete konyora obugwenia ase bono baguchia koirananka
nikastukere gari mubalisha ngurumo kwa hiyo mteremko ya Fontan. Sasa nikastukia tu amegonga gari nyingine nyuma basi nyingine. Ya pili na gari imeanza kuyumba yumba. Ndio gari kaanguka.
Rishiti ya Climax na tukaingizwa kwa hii gari. Rishiti wakati nimeingia kwa hii gari tukachukuliwa rishiti umesemekana wana confirm mimi sijaona rishiti yangu hadi saa hii.
Out of the 45 11 we have referred 2 in critical condition. And the rest we sustained minor injuries which we managed to treat and we have discharged. There was one fatality at the scene of accident.
Abanyanyimbo kurwa borabu county ya Nyamira baumuira amarua taikeraneti birengo amarua yo arenge chirita chimisano nemo nemerongene omokonyi bo commissioner county yo Stella Wanyela nigo arwege kurege tindi asonde bwensi oratoke gakonya na koenga amarua yo na imokeriwe getambukiro kierichiko.
We have destroyed by pouring all the 640 liters. This is just a warning to those people who are dealing in this business that we mean well for the community of Borabu, we mean well for the residents of Borabu, and we are going to work hard as a team to ensure that we get rid of the bigger fishes who are supplying, so that we cut the source for the smaller ones who are the retailers.
Nigo omoroberio bwoborai bwabosa ase nyagitari ya Nyamira ase county ya Nyamira igochigo ikomo erio abwase kampuni ya Guardian Coach na Gadmat ya ikomo erio litukoria rero ase wetania baroire emerongo ebere noyomo banyorete obobari bwabosa na baroire chiminye kubweniwa n'abanyagitari kurwa asense ya USA gakogokera yo muteneneri o Guardian Rogers Muturi nigo aerera obuya bwokuenana emechange iyo eyegochia gokonya baroire abo baganetie okomanwa
Lietenguru Rogers Muturi ongera litangani taitukwira libageli wakira abantu baito kurugusi na all over bali bachite for the free camp surgical camp yabeta sinyagitali ito ya Nyamira Lifaro na inde ingire libageli ngakire abanyagitali baito from the Medical Missions Foundation asobocha igase county ito ya Nyamira na kurwali abantu baita bange igo on behalf ya company ito company ya Guardian Coach na company ito ya Gadmat na ntuanyolete libaga yokubwatirana n'abantu baita bayabarwete asense ya America Medical Mission Foundation aso ko make sure baachire ase county ito kurwali abantu baito from the preliminary report mbwate nibwete over 400 people kuruga Nyamira yeito mbanyolete amatibabu na abantu over 60 to 100 mbanyolete surgeries in different areas batakanite ebese nyonye n'enturu nandi ntaito wakira nyone county ito nambiamono igera yanchite abantu abo bagacha abanyagitari bagapatina n'abanyagitari banyamira county na baramba exchange the ideas on how to go forward kurwali abantu baito in the future. So igoti yangire libageli ngakire abageni baito bali bachite kurwa Medical Mission Foundation na nenda ikotebya abantu baito na aba lero mbakora na ande company ya Guardian Pass lero njaba bugulia moja kwa moja twabairire mpaka Alimasa Imara na barabu bararatimuka na kubakira nambia mono asegasi ito bakorire ngia twarakonyire una into abanyabiasara ase togokonya nasange abantu baito nabwo bagerete tubwate chinguru tubwate boniga ekere twanyore libaga na into as part of social responsibility corporate social responsibility na intwe na watu kuira nyo koboko twarakonyire binte binge ngokonya turabana wakanira abana school fees bagenda school ngo support tole mepira ngo support tole special talents ngo kora tole mathematics competition science competition all those things we sponsor abana baito gena ndira mutagete musi yeito ebe musi abantu tosikire abo no to ko ramangana maiya senchira yobwenge ncheni gonkorukwa Debora Kerubo.